Hey all, decided to get myself a tool roll, but for a different purpose. Salt, pepper. We've got to put herbs and spices in there yet. Got me baby Weber Q tongs and flipper and some spoons and peelers and that in there. Sorry, one-handed. I'm holding the phone. All my spoons, teaspoons and normal breakfast spoons. Knives and forks. This compartment I haven't used yet, but remember the old style Wilshire knives that you slide in and out to keep them sharp? There's 3 different sizes I was thinking of getting. Shove them in there. This compartment, alright, technically you use these for your ring spanners and things. I don't know, I'm not sure I'm going to use it. Maybe, I don't know, put some knives, some skewers, small stuff in there, but if I don't use it, I don't use it, it doesn't bother me. Then what I was looking at doing, go to Bunnings, get some cheap carabiners, and I can hang it off the ute. Done. I'm actually hanging out to give this a try. I've just set it up, so, you know, may work, may not. If it doesn't, it was a dumb idea. But, you know, it could be a hack that may work for you. But I like it. See how it goes. Cheers.